Happy Diwali to you all. Recently, we celebrated Navaratri with a great devotion. Now, we are celebrating Diwali with the same devotion, adding enthusiasm and joy. Like Navaratri, Diwali is also associated with the significance of the victory of good over evil. In different parts of India, Diwali is celebrated in different ways. In South India, Naraka Chaturdasi is the main day of Diwali celebrations. As I hail from Andhra Pradesh, I would like to let you know how it is celebrated in our place. It is believed that Lord Krishna's wife Satyabhama had killed demon Narakasura on this day. So, special prayers are offered to clay idols of Satyabhama on this day. Also, Harikatha or musical narration of stories of Lord Sri Hari is performed in many areas. The joyous celebrations of Diwali in every house starts with taking oil bath before sunrise, wearing new clothes, decorating houses with different varieties of rangoli, offer prayers to God, especially to Goddess Lakshmi, to welcome into our house, prepare and eat delicious sweets. In the night, we lit diyas as a symbol of victory of good and burn crackers to celebrate the downfall of Narakasura. In this COVID situation, we may not be able to celebrate a joyous Diwali and burn crackers, but let us stay strong, fight, and win this situation. Once again, I wish you a very happy and a safe Diwali. Take care.
Namaste, Happy Diwali. Today I'll tell you how we celebrate Diwali in north of India, especially UP. It all starts 2 days before actual Diwali by the day Dhanteras, where ideally you should buy gold or anything new, maybe something for your kitchen or something like that. It's an auspicious day, which is basically to kind of worship Lord Kuber and Lakshmi. So it's the actual commencement of Diwali. One day before actual Diwali, it's Choti Diwali, which means literally small Diwali. It means nothing. It's just get ready, decorate your house as beautiful as you want. Just be prepared with your sweets. Prepare rangoli if you do, and just buck up for the next day, which is actual Diwali. Hey Vala, this is Badi Diwali, the Diwali. So the whole day you prepare all the beautiful sweets and things you can. Use the jewelry that you've already bought on Dhanteras, or maybe the things you bought for your kitchen. And in the evening, it's Lakshmi Puja, so we worship to Goddess Lakshmi, and after that, it's time to burn crackers if you live in the state where crackers are not banned. And okay, enjoy the Diwali with all the sweets, all the beautiful lightnings, and all the beautiful things that Diwali is actually meant for, even crackers. Next day to Diwali, it's Govardhan Puja, where we actually make forms of God, Lord Krishna on floor. It's just like Rangoli, but it's made with cow dung, and it's basically teaches us to respect the ecosystem and animals, especially cow, which is anyways very important in Hindu culture. So the last day in Diwali festival is Bhaiya Dooj, where it's basically for brothers and sisters. Sisters usually give coconut and a little bit of sweets to their brother. Brother in return will always say, these days he'll give gifts, but yeah, it's basically a promise to help and protect the sister throughout her life. And that's it. That's how we complete Diwali, like 2 days before Diwali, 2 days after Diwali, and yes, from tomorrow. Let's get back to work. That's how we celebrate Diwali in UP. Happy Diwali!